Hey guys, what we have here is a one-bedroom condo in the heart of Astoria. This is awesome location, awesome. We have here the floors were just redone and the walls were repainted. Beautiful, beautiful location, beautiful apartment, condo, 756 square feet. Now, what we have here is living room, and I'm backing up into the dining room here. Now, this dining area, you can make actually a second small room. Again, what we have here is prime location in Astoria, Ditmars Boulevard and 76th Street, 2220 76th Street. We're on the top floor, and what we have here is property was just worked on, brand new polished floors, and beautiful, beautiful bedroom here. Extra large bedroom. What we have here, this is 15 feet. Huge. And the good thing about here, I don't know if you can see it, outside, you have a beautiful location here. Very quiet, very peaceful. This is what people want. Again, we're selling this one bedroom here in Astoria. This is the bedroom. We have plenty of closet space. We're doing a little touch up on the bathroom, a little cleaning up, and also we're doing a little cleaning up in the kitchen. But we have plenty of closet space. Again, the floors were recently redone. Living room, dining room right here, and then we have living room. And again, the good thing, let's shoot over here to the back window. And I don't know if you can see it right now, but in the winter time, you can see it a lot more closely. You have actually a city view. Once the leaves are gone on the trees, you have a beautiful city view. Anyway, if you're interested, give us a call, 347-871-6001, and one bedroom condo in Astoria, available now.